There's nothing worse than getting in your car and it not starting. And recently, that's what happened with my Venza.
Bro, it was working like 20 minutes ago.
And having two random strangers who were kind enough to jump my car, it turns out the starter wasn't working. So before making the rash decision to buy a new starter, me and my dad took out the original one. And honestly, it wasn't even hard to get to. You just take out the air box and you're pretty much there. Simple enough, the starter itself is mounted on with two bolts with a connector and another bolt fastening down some wires onto it. And just like that, we've taken out the starter.
When you key on and try to start the engine, the solenoid will kick in and then it will push out to engage into the flywheel, and then it will spin. It will start the engine. If it stays right here, it's not gonna engage the flywheel. The solenoid have to energize to push the gear out to start the engine.
After a quick reminder of how our starter works, my dad diagnosed that it was actually just dirty on the inside. And a quick trick to clean up the exterior is using some gasoline, since gasoline actually has fuel additives that dissolve carbon deposits. And it really doesn't take that much. All you need is just a little bit of gasoline and maybe your friend's toothbrush. And you can already see it's taking a lot of the dirt off. Once the exterior of the starter was cleaned, we could open it up and you can see inside a lot of the grease is missing and this just looks pretty nasty and whatever.
The problem, burn inside.
Once again, using the same trick, pour some gasoline in there and watch that deposit dissolve. Once everything inside and outside was cleaned, we can now finally assemble it all together. And before putting it together, you can also put some grease inside to expand the life of it. Now that the starter is finally assembled together, we can put it back in the car in reverse order. Now that the starter is mounted on, the only thing to do is now start it. And just like that, the original starter works again.